the Apple Pencil 3 to boast magnetically replaceable tips and compatibility for the Find My app. Apple, a tech giant, is warming up to release most awaited new Apple Pencil 3, iPad Air, and iPad Pro models soon in the market. The new series of tablets is expected to feature updated chipsets, larger displays, thinner bezels, etc. Moreover, the Cupertino, California-based company has also scheduled to debut new accessories like the Magic Keyboard with a larger trackpad and a new Apple Pencil 3. Citing a report, Gadget 360 reported that the Apple Pencil 3 will feature a new squeeze gesture. Apple is working on the third-generation Apple Pencil, and it's expected to release along with the new iPad models. According to the source, the squeeze gesture is likely to be activated by pressing down on the Apple Pencil 3. Moreover, users can use the feature for quick interaction, adding signatures, stickers, or text while using the Apple Pencil 3. However, the squeeze gesture feature was not present on the Apple Pencil 2. Therefore, the evidence found in the iPad 17.5 beta code suggested that the feature would likely be present in the Apple Pencil 3. The Apple Pencil 3 has been reported to boast magnetically replaceable tips and compatibility for the Find My app in case it gets lost or misplaced. The Pencil 3 is likely to have a shorter body and a glossier finish than previous generations. Apple Pencil 3 is expected to support a USB Type-C charging port, just like the Apple Pencil launched the previous year. Apple launched a new Apple Pencil last year as an alternative to the Apple Pencil 2. The gadget had a matte finish and a flat edge that allowed it to magnetically connect to the side of the 10th generation iPad. Apple Pencil 3 release date. Citing Bloomberg's Mark Gurman report, Gadget 360 reported that the launch of the next generation Apple tablets had been delayed to May. Moreover, Apple Pencil 3, M2-powered iPad Air, and M3-powered iPad Pro models are expected to be unveiled next month, ahead of Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference WWDC in June.